Previously on Kimba TV.
Well, we're at our CME target. So CME is finally at a target that we want. So I'm gonna probably attempt, I would probably attempt shorts now. My concern is that we should wait to see what the reaction is at 45.80. So like that kind of confluence would be great. Were you listening to what I was saying earlier? It's either gonna sweep that or sweep that. Test. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Oh shit. Bugatti. I gotta be quiet because baby girl's still sleeping. Hey, how we doing though? Let me get some coffee and shit. Bugatti, what's going on? Trader, Hans Hugo. Bisor OC Pet Doctor, good morning. Big Boon does. Let me move my shit, hold on. Elotex Hegemonia, Daniel Raven. What's going on? Beru, what's going on? The way it is. How we doing? All right, it's too hard for me to read the chat. Dick Bank says you snuck in a long. I'm in a long, but I put limits in, and so you could have heard it. You could have followed along. I gotta go to a different room because I think I'm being too loud. Hold on, I'm moving. I'm going back into the cardio room. Y'all want to see my little cardio room? This fucking place has a cardio room for me. Paulo says, "Show us." Sure, it's on the VIP stream. It's on the VIP stream, y'all. Here. Can you guys see it? Why is the quality so bad? Yeah, so look at my fucking entry, bruh. Bugatti! The math is the math. Blade Clap is he is in long. That is correct, Blade Clap. Yeah, on the VIP you can always rewind and like watch the whole thing. Like I was watching it come down. You'll see like my entry pop up here in a second. Yeah, there you go. I got filled, so there it is. You know, you can watch the whole thing. I got filled. Look at that motherfucking entry. Bugatti, math, testnet. Easy money. And look at that. Boink, boink, boink. Juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, juice, juice. Yeah, you can follow along. But, yeah, I even wrote notes for you guys in here. I don't know if you guys saw it. Was watching it live. Good shit. Did you see my notes about how it was a 1 hour hidden bull div? I wrote on the thing 1 hour bear div versus 1 hour hidden bull div. So, and what is it? What is a hidden div? What is a hidden div? It means that it's continuing the original trend. So if the trend is bullish, a hidden bull div would indicate that it's going to resume the bull trend, right? Simple stuff. What's my target for this? 43,000. The next sweep level. Yeah, so I have a 50 Bitcoin long on TapBit. I have 150 Bitcoin long on MEXC, and I have a 200 Bitcoin long on Kraken. Same exact entry, same concept. Cams D says I have same entry. That's good shit. Hopefully it wasn't copy trading. But we have same entry. Okay. I like that. It really was just the 1 hour hidden bull div, right? Okay, any questions about like TA shit? I need to put, I'm gonna put TP on the VIP, hold on. Should have brought my other laptop. I had 150 on MEXC. I think I have 200 on Kraken. Same. Everything is exactly the same. Yeah, like a Vipers, you can rewind the YouTube. It's rewindable. And so you can literally go back to 12 hours ago and see the whole thing. When I look at this, see, I was like, yo, what the fuck, tap bit fees, goddamn. And then I said 1 hour regular bear div versus 1 hour hidden bull div. Let us up and flip a coin, JK. What's this realized negative 400 means? Sisolsky, that is the fees. Those are the fees, brother. Living Forces, why did you take trade, if I can ask? Sure, Living Forest, we already talked about it. I've only been streaming for a little bit, but I even wrote like little hints and shit on the YouTube. Let's see if I can find it for you guys again. Yeah, rewinding it might be the best. I don't even, when did I write the, yeah. So it was a 1 hour hidden bull div. I don't even know if I have RSI on this, but you'll be able to see it was a 1 hour, here. I think you can kind of see it. It's on the 1 hour. Like, and then the RSI goes down. So it was a hidden bull div. So that was 11 hours ago I posted this. And then I said, let us up and flip a coin. I said, JK. And then you can see me, like, you can replay this. You can see when I put in the entry. You can see that I was patient. You know, look, I put the limit in, and I did it, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and I was patient. I got filled, stop loss, everything, stop loss and profit as soon as possible. Cage wins. Regular divergence usually marks a trend reversal. Correct. A hidden divergence should suggest continuation. Correct. Cage wins. So if it's a hidden bull div and the trend has been bullish, then it means it's going to continue the trend. Thus, I'm in the long. But it's also historical pattern recognition. This is the fourth 1 hour hidden bull div that has been working. In fact, every hidden bull div, this whole trend up, has been working. I ignored the last three. I couldn't ignore the fourth one. So, yeah, it's just it's literally recognizing it, right? If I were to ask you guys the last 3, 4, 5 hidden bull divs on the 1 hour, have they worked out or not? Theoretically, you would want to be able to answer that before you took the trade. Breaking all bear divs on the 1 hour. Yep. So the hidden bull divs are breaking the regular bear divs. So it's really just a matter of recognizing that, taking a shot. My stop loss was like $100 or something, if you noticed it. So Crazy Houston says, how about that big bear on daily? So you got to do exactly what I just said. How have been the bear divs on the daily been playing out, Crazy Houston? How long do they take? Seeing it is observation, so it's not technical analysis. The questions that I asked is the analytical portion, right? So what % chance does that thing have? How long does it usually take? How long could we still grind up and still hold that? What would be the theoretical RSI that it would break that bear div? Those are the questions that you want to start asking. Mousepad says, how's the view there? You guys want a little tour? What's with the mic? I'm on my laptop, pirate. I'm on vacay, brother. All right, everybody go to Kimba Mobile, twitch.kimba mobile. I'm gonna do one later, but I'm gonna just show you around super quick. Eyes are fucking killing me. Oh, we're going. Latouche. Wait, do I really not have TP on this bitch? I do, right? Didn't it say like I was gonna make 80? Y6 says, so hidden bull div stronger than 1 hour, 4 hour regular bear div. Noted. No, rewind and listen to what we were saying, Ysec. It's historical pattern recognition. So if, just like how everybody else was saying, if you notice that the 1 hour bear divs are always getting broken and the hidden bull divs are always working, then you got to go with the trend. Yeah, so that's why I always say you don't want to memorize what I say, you want to memorize the reasoning or the logic. Okie dokie. If you notice that for 2 weeks straight, a 5-minute bull div is breaking a 1 hour and a 4 hour regular bear div, then you take those bull divs. And guess what? We've seen those. So always remember it's historical pattern recognition. All right. You got to remember what happened before, because really without knowing what happened before, I don't know how you interpret what's in front of you and assess the probability it plays out. Just because you see a 1 hour bear div or a 4 hour bear div, it doesn't mean anything, you know? If it shows historically that they're always respected, then you should take it. If historically it always shows that they get broken, then don't take it. So Cage wants to start it from the 27th. Bull div we created have been breaking bear divs and creating hidden bull divs on the momentum down before reversing and breaking the bear divs we created. Yep, exactly. So that's it. Yep, you gotta. Camzy says I've seen it work like 5 times. Yeah, I mean I was ignoring the first 3. I couldn't ignore this one. I said fuck it. Yeah. So it really doesn't matter if it's divs or what it is. Everything at one point should always be reflected in terms of what it's done historically. So okay. 48, yes. So 48 is another level too, and that also confluences with some fibs. So here. I'm trying to do this shit on a trackpad. You see it? These are daily candles. Okay? And then you also have this one as well. Bad high, bad high. Okay? So just pixelize it and then move on over this way. And there you go. And then I'm going to go to the 30-minute. All right? So yeah, you have like a non-mathematically significant sweep that we're witnessing right now. So I have a line right there. But yeah, and so that's why I put my TP where I put my TP. Alrighty. Always long BTC says you long, brother. Yes. Yeah, I put limits in yesterday on the VIP and I got filled live. Yep, and I even wrote like little notes for you guys. I said, yo, what the fuck, tap bit fees, LOL, goddamn. And then I said 1 hour regular bear div versus 1 hour hidden bull div. Let us up and flip a coin, JK. Okay, so you can rewind 12 hours back on the YouTube, I think. Yeah, so like you can see when exactly I put the limits in. You know, you can see when I get filled. There you go, I just got filled. My stop loss, everything. And you can watch how I moved it. This was like at midnight. I was spanking TP, if you know what I'm talking about, while I was doing this. I was probably like Yeah. I was trying to balance a couple things, you know what I'm saying? If that sweep structure is created, we've seen so many sweep structures. You guys should know exactly what I would be anticipating. Like, pretend like you're gonna take this. Even though I'm in a long, or even though you might be in a long, pretend you're gonna take this. So if this in 3 minutes or whatever, this 30-minute candle is gonna close, okay? Structure would have formed on the second 30-minute candle close. As long as the second one is below the sweep level, the structure would have confirmed. So the first candle forms the sweep structure. The second one is the confirmation of the sweep structure, and you wouldn't lose the golden pocket, right? So use that as your invalidation for the long, if anything.
WooBTC says, I know where he said he would TP, but on VIP stream, the TP field is blank on TapBit. Oh my God, homie. Okay. Well, I'm stuck in a hard spot. Okay, because if I just keep letting y'all goofy asses keep market closing, okay, I make more money. I'm just kidding. You guys should not be using the TP. It was on here. You want to here. Let me log back into the VPS. See it? You close, open. Open with this, close here. You see this? So watch. 5-0, close long. If I wanted to just do 5, I could do 5. Okay? You want to do watch. Okay, see, we gotta, I gotta pay attention to this. See, I fucking knew it. Okay, well now I'm gonna have a little bit of fun and get nasty with y'all. Okay? Oh shit, my food is, oh god damn it. All right, one second. My food is here. All right, y'all. Food is here. It is a feast for kings. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? I guess I will eat with you guys, but I gotta eat and get going. Any questions? Gabrielle says all good. Yes. I think you guys are good. FOMO Frog says, what did you get? You want me to just reboot Kimba Mobile? Nah. You guys are good. It's just... How bored are you guys? Go focus on the TA. You're going to have some awesome opportunities coming up. You're bored as fuck. I see you, Tamer. Well, any questions, Tamer? You guys are good? So the 42966 sweep, right? A bunch of you guys were already thrown out 7A6, 48. I don't know if I would take this 43 sweep. If its structure, open interest is declining, it might be worth a shot. But we'll see. If I attempt anything, you'll see it on the Viper. Okay. So, OI declining? Yes, Showmax. Yeah. So you don't want to just look at the OI and be like, okay, this is it. It still has to reach a level of interest that you anticipated. So don't like FOMO shit, I would much rather miss a juicy trade than get stuck in a really fucked up one, right? So, yeah, I'm not gonna get too carried away, but that's the sweep level, right? So you should be able to rewind. This was such a short little thing that I bet the highlights will go up quicker than usual. But yeah, for the most part, like you guys know exactly what you're doing. You don't really need my help. So pull some fibs, higher time frame stuff. Look at the sweep structures, right? If this, let's say that I take this 43 sweep short and I get stopped out, then I'm going to, my next short attempt is 48. Roger. That's it. If I attempt this 43 sweep and I get stopped out, then 48 is my next short attempt. And that doesn't mean you should be longing 43 because I'm expecting it to go to like 48 or some shit, right? So Gloki says 43K tap. Yes. And so y'all know what it is. Like look on the smaller time frames, look at the TPO format, you know, and is it a bad high? Right? Is there a chance that it could sweep again later? You also have Macaulay later today as well, right? What's the Bugammas looking like? What's the confluence with S&P looking like for rest of the day, et cetera, et cetera. You already know what it is. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and start getting ready to go ski while I do all of this with y'all. Alrighty, Hegemonia 48, Big Fib 618, and also sweep level. Yes, Hegemonia. Yep. So that's what I'm saying. If this 43 sweep short doesn't work, I really don't know if I would attempt a short before 48, right, Hegemonia? But that also doesn't mean nobody better be fucking longing, you know, top longing and shit just because of that. So, you know, you would probably want like a 7.5 pullback or at least a 0.5 test before you head towards the, or like a 3.82 test before you head towards the 6.18, right, Hedge? So, anyways, yeah, I think you guys all see exactly what I'm seeing. So, Dark Dodo says, I'm in since 41K. Where should I TP? Well, you guys already saw me set my TPs and shit. So we did the TA on this, and I showed you guys. You know, it's all live, and you can rewind 12 hours worth. You know, just like a Sato stream, so you can always like see all of it. When I entered, how I adjusted the stop loss, it all happened live, and that's what the whole point of this is. So, okay. Riot says new banner. No, this has always been here on the YouTubes. This has always been on the VIP. This is the VIP. Okie dokie. All right, y'all. Well, 12 more minutes on the hourly candle close. I love you guys, man. You guys good? Jingao, I'm doing great. I'm wrapping it up right now. So Hegemonia. Oh, my pleasure, Hegemonia. I'll poke my head in about 5, 6, 7 hours. All right, I'll poke my head in about 5, 6, 7 hours, and if I do anything, if I do take a short or whatever, you'll see it. All right. Hey, love you guys, man. I am out of here. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right. All right. I'm switching it back to the book map and the exo. Okay. Hey, love you guys. Here comes the sweep. Hey, stay safe, y'all. Peace, everybody.